Hi friends, and welcome to Decorate Your Life, Scrapbooking, and Card Making. In today's tutorial, I'll be sharing how you can create cute and easy Christmas cards with the Spellbinders November 2018 Card Kit of the Month. With the Spellbinders Card Kit of the Month pack, you get just about everything that you need to make beautiful greeting cards. In this month's Spellbinders Card Kit of the Month, you'll be receiving the following: a roll of adhesive and foam dots, epoxy dots, twine and glitter tape, clear stamps, glitter stickers, chipboard stickers, a pack of die-cut shapes, a 6x6 inch paper pad, a set of 19 dies, 7 sheets of 8.5 by 11 inch cardstock, and 10 cards and 10 envelopes. I'll leave you a link to the Spellbinders Club kits in the description area below and also in my blog. Today I'll be showing you how to make a reindeer card using the metal dies that are included in the kit. Because there are so many pieces, Spellbinders provided me with a color picture of the different die cuts you get with this month's card kit. I'll make this file available to you in my blog so that you can piece your die cuts together with ease. We begin by choosing a background for our reindeer Christmas card. We eye measure, trim, and then place white cardstock over this piece, eye measure, and trim again. Then we piece our paper to cardstock with double-sided tape. We are now ready to decorate our Christmas card. And that's pretty much it, friends. I hope you've enjoyed this Christmas card idea using the Spellbinders November 2018 card kit of the month. And don't forget to visit my blog for more Christmas cards, inspirations, and tutorials. Until next time, bye now.